How to change the default SMS messaging receiving app on your OnePlus phone with Android 16. To change to another default SMS app, go ahead and use the quick access. You can pull it down once or twice. Look for the settings right here, this toggle there. And when you're here, go down the list until you see apps. From here, you will look for default apps. And once you're here, go down the list until you see SMS app. Once you're here, for new users, you'll probably just see one, which is the Google Messages. But if you want more to appear here, you can simply just go into the Play Store, type in the word messages, and look for one that's right for you. Not all will show here, only compatible ones. Messenger, WhatsApp won't show there, but other compatible apps will show there. And once you have them fully installed, they will appear there, and you can simply choose them. Some may ask you to restart your phone. Go ahead and do that, and you can change this at any given time, like and sub.